Guys, welcome back to Try Good Food. Today we are going to make chicken sliders. So let's move on to the recipe. But first be sure to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon, like and share that. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add chopped onion. Give it a light mix and make it softer. Add chopped capsicum. Add shredded chicken, in which I have added 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. For spices, add 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon peri peri and salt. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. After mixing, off the flame and let it cool down for some time. So it has been cooled down, you can see it's cool. Now add mayonnaise. Now mix it properly. Our filling is ready. So here I have greased a baking tray with oil. And here is our main ingredient, pav. Cut it from between. Now place the first layer of pav in the baking tray. Add tomato sauce. Spread it with a knife. the main ingredient. If you want, you can add mozzarella cheese. Here I've used processed cheese because I don't like mozzarella. Now add the chicken filling. What to do next? Obviously spread it. Now add the second layer of cheese. Now place the top layer. Now at the top spread it with butter. I am using Amul butter. If you want, you can use Nutrilite or any of your choice butter. I love Amul butter, so I'll put Amul butter spread all over the pav. It will make our chicken sliders really crispy. Everyone likes crispy, of course. So butter to shine. Yay! Now sprinkle with sesame seeds, obviously optional because some people have sesame seeds at their home and some people doesn't have, so totally optional. Now bake it in the oven for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so our chicken sliders are ready.